Hi, thank you for coming. This time we're going to work through Andantino. Together, slowly. I'm going to bring you closer so you get to see my fingers. Not too loud, not too soft to begin with. So right hand should be just gently, naturally sits on the string. Don't press extra, don't lift and hold it very tight either. And just let your hand be like really cushy. All right, let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and now let's go for the faster tempo. The quarter notes in this piece, try to use as much bow as possible. Open up your elbow and move it very quickly. And you look at the bow here so it doesn't go down to the fingerboard while you're moving fast. And that needs a little bit more practice. All right, for instance, bar 9, you would play. Try let your elbow open up easily and the bow be able to reach to the tip. All right? Happy practicing. I hope to see you next piece.